Yes, so as I was saying, Te Whāro is where my nan married Liwai Grace. It's my nanny Matamona Grace over at Te Whāro. And the Pāhuris from Wharekāhika. Kia ora to my cousin, Kararaina over there. The Sterling's from whanau today. Our last song is... it's Kevin, thank you. So this is... I've always wanted to say this. So this is a song that's on our album down there. It's one of the songs of our album is called Sweet Jesus, and we recorded it because we wanted to have brown people to have an album of gospel stuff that they could sing in churches that they might like. There wasn't Australian or American. So I want to thank you so much for those of you who have supported our kaupapa and brought a CD, and the ones who pirated it from the cousins. Too much thank yous for listening to our songs anyway. Kia ora, cousins. Restore my